Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com making this video as a midweek recap. So let's get started. This week we had US election, right? So yesterday and today voting and the results. So very volatile and dangerous time, but I still managed to get some trades. So let's go over with them. This is the pound USD trade. Entry was last Friday and closed on Sunday for 70 pip, right? From 7 minute chart. The next trade on the 4th was nothing, very quiet because, again, the day before the election, completely, it's like quiet before the storm, right? Calm before the storm, right? So now this one is on the 5th, and this is a BTC buy orders right there. And it is all the up. I made a video about this BTC, and it's on my YouTube channel, so you can take a look. I predicted that it's going to go way to the upside. So it started to go, and I got in here. And this is how the trade is. Euro USD 95 pip to the upside on the 5th. Buy orders right there. And this is again BTC, the second entry, same day, but after the first one, it dipped. Then again, it started to go to the upside. This is the entry buy order. It's from here 71,083 to 74,744. It is also on the 5th. Then you have this Euro USD 7 minute start to go down after, as the results start to come in, a US dollar start to get stronger, right? And Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD all went down. USD CAD, USD Yen went up, right? So this is Euro USD on the 6th, which is today, actually. This is Pound USD as well, start to come down, gave me the entry, short entry for 95 pip here. Then the Euro Aussie here, sell order is right there on the 6th for 100 pip. This is Pound Aussie. Aussie got strong. So again, both went down. Both of these pairs, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Sell order is right there. Entry is here, 70 pip to the downside on the 6th. On the 6th, gold from 2,000 buck size, beautiful by the book entry. Sell order is right there. Went down here. Let me see more. Aussie Yen, I just recorded a little while ago. Again, this is the entry. Aussie got stronger, and look what happened, right? So these are the few trades, maybe like 10, 12 trades, right? So far, Wednesday, right? So this is how the system work. If you like what you saw, you want to get the system or learn about it, then go to my website here. And you can have it, so you can subscribe monthly, yearly, whatever. And if you want to learn from A to Z about this business, forex business, including like Elliott Wave, harmonic pattern, national level, this, that, every single thing, you have one-on-one coaching here. I am finishing few of the one-on-one, and have about to have the opening this week, right? So I can take a few more one-on-one, no problem. And these are the courses, Elliott Wave course, video courses, Elliott Wave and harmonic pattern courses here. Very powerful, very informative courses here, right? So, see what you need, and then come on my website, and then just look around. One-on-one coaching courses are here. Let's see if I can show you. Let me go here. You see, so and then you can see that what is included here, every single thing. And I also have combos, which are 50% off right now. So let me see. Like these are the monthly and yearly subscription, but then these are combos, right? Different combos, combo 1, combo 2, combo 3. What it includes here, you can see this EA, that expert advisor that I'm using. It is a very, very powerful, a very helpful. Most of these trades you can see were taken by this EA that is small here, that 7 minute live, right? This is the one that takes these trades, entries. Okay, this EA automatically take the trade, plays the ASL, and you can suggest the target, whatever, and it will hit the target automatically. Whichever you see this little arrow, that means that EA opened the trade. This is a different EA for gold, right? Sam's all in gold. I have it. Beautiful entry here. Beautiful entry was there, here, and all the way down. So these are the tools that I have, which I use. If you get it, then I'll teach you. Take you on the Zoom, and then teach you exactly how to use them. Right? They are not 100% automated. They are 80% automated, but 20% manual intervention requires. Right? So how you cannot have it all the time on the charts, only in volume times and with the analysis. If you see there's a setup is about to happen, then you place the EA, and then as soon as the four conditions has to meet, and once they are met, then EA opens the trade automatically. Right. So this is how it works. So and also I have this Telegram channel here where I constantly post heads up about the upcoming setups and videos and a lot of goodies here. Right. So you can have like this one, seeing on a try GJ, and then it went down, and then I took the trade. Right. So all of these, UJ short, and then GU long, all of these. So you have this Telegram as well when you get the system, anything, and like if you subscribe monthly or you get one of those combos, you have it. By the way, the combo, you email me if you want to get it, then email me on my myforestmagicweight at gmail.com, and let me know that which one you want, so I can make you a special button with a huge discount. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.